Hey guys, this is your boy Shay. Meanwhile, if I need to hi guys, please like, love, you share me and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, I'm when I review this drone. So it's SG901 Max. Okay, it's a Max GPS smart drone. There's a drone. Yeah, so there's a drone. It's really good in size, already compact. Alright, so this thing right here, so you have to pull this to insert the obstacle avoidance, which is right there. Here it is. So you have to pop this and then insert the obstacle avoidance. Clear? Shoot. Just gonna see that down. Next, inside here we've got the main controller. It's quite nice. Yeah, so as you can see, it has a 5.9 or 4.9. I'm unsure about that. Yeah, it's a really big screen. As you can see, it's a 5.9, I think. Okay, so you can see I've already, right here, so this is where you grab those sticks. The stick right here, it is removable. Okay, so you unscrew it like that, and it's usually stored here. So you push it like this. Okay, it's stored right here. Alright. Okay, so now let's take a quick look up at the remote right here. So yeah, this thing is stretchable. Okay, so you can insert your phone right here. Alright. So as you can see, we have so many buttons. The quality is really good. You can see that it's pretty sturdy and good looking. When we see it right here, we have two USB Type-C port. Alright, I think the first USB Type-C, which is right here, it will charge the internal battery on this remote screen controller. And then yes, we do have an option to insert a memory card. Okay, as you can see, notice only compatible with memory cards that support flash format. Okay, so I can see we have our reset button, another USB Type-C right here, another one right here. Right here we have the power button. We have the power button. We have the one key takeoff, one key land. Here, as you know, this is a right stick, left stick. Okay, this is a calibration button. This is a GPS button, and here we have multiple buttons. There's no label. This one is an obstacle avoidance button, and this is a gyro. I don't know I think this one is a gyro compass or whatever. Yeah, and right here we have another button. Alright, this one right here, guys, is to roll the camera. Okay, camera button to roll the gimbal. Okay, so yeah. So what mentioned, guys, this drone does not have a gimbal. It's all EIS, electronics stabilization. It does it digitally. Alright? Electronically. Yeah, as you can see, it has two camera dual. Here it says, at the back, we do have an LED light right here. We have the, a camera facing down, and we do have a motion sensor right here. As we can see what's inside. It's just a hole. And this is a sort of gimbal, whatever. You heard this sound? The motor of the camera sound. So yeah, so you have to use this button right here to adjust the camera, okay? That's pretty much it. Yeah, so now let's stop the thing. I'm gonna show you some stats. Alright, so as soon as you start it, it's gonna be like this. And then it's gonna say Beast, Chinese, English, okay? So, nope. Okay, nope. This screen is not touched. Oh, okay? So, if you want English, so you see this stick right here? So all you gotta do is to push this button. It's gonna be in English, okay? So here you can take a picture, record button, back button. There you have your Wi-Fi power button and multiple whatever button, fires, switch, flip. Okay? Here you have your height, distance, your GPS level, your battery level, okay? So, alright, and 4. Okay, it's really good. So you can see the size, pretty much of it. To turn it on, all you gotta do is to push this button. Okay, to remove the battery, push down on this one. Push down this button right here, and then eject the battery. Okay, just like that. So you can see the battery. Alright, so I think if you push down this button right there, it's gonna show you the battery level, but I think the battery might be dead. Right here, let's read this. It says lithium, okay, lithium battery, 3.7 volts, 3,800. Okay, milliamps. Alright, charge must only use factory USB cable, never disassemble, whatever. Never put the battery in fire, whatever. Okay. Yeah, so install the obstacle avoidance, all you gotta do is pull this. Alright, pull this little thing, but don't lose it. Okay, now grab your obstacle avoidance, and there's only one way this thing moves. So this, you can see the 3 gold-plated whatever, it moves right here. Ooh, you wanna sit up like that. And now guys, I'm gonna show you a quick video how do we calibrate this thing. Okay, yes, this is a GPS drone, so you have to rotate it like 3 times and then vertically as well. So let's push this button and see what happens. Alright. So now, you're gonna see it flashes like this. When I grab your remote, I'm gonna stop the remote. Okay, this thing, guys, it will always be in this, okay? So as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys the camera. Alright, so I'm gonna, as you can see guys, you can see quality like that. Okay? Alright. Okay? So now guys, yeah, this thing, it takes like, 2 to 3 minutes to find the satellites. Okay, now to calibrate this guys, all one is to push this button. Okay, so it's already in GPS mode. Right here, I don't know if you're seeing that, it's in GPS mode. So if you would like to change to in dual mode, all you want to do is to hold this GPS button and it will switch to in dual mode. Right there, I choose in dual mode. Good. Now again, if you wanna switch to GPS mode, keep holding the GPS and then it will change to GPS mode. Okay, so now all you want to do is to keep long press this button right here. So we wanna calibrate this drone. So we wanna long press this till you hear the beep. Now I want you to rotate. Grab the drone in your hand and then rotate it like 3 times, okay? Till you hear it beep, okay? And now nose the camera up and then rotate it again till you hear another beep. So I'm gonna try to do that. Let me... Yeah? Just lift this button. See what will happen. It will rotate the camera, okay? Alright guys, and as you can see, it still hasn't found any satellites. Why? It's in GPS mode because I'm inside, okay? So usually if you are inside, you will not find any satellites. You will not have found any satellites, so you'll have to take the drone and step outside. Okay, now if you want to connect to your phone, so you'll have to, if you want to connect to your phone, you'll have to download this app. Right? Okay, should have to download RX Drone GPS app. Alright, so there's a QR code right there. So for Android, you wanna scan this code, and then, yeah, the thing is, it's in Chinese, so here's a Wi-Fi network. The network is ID, it's gonna be UAV, whatever, 5G. Okay? And yeah, it does come with some spare, like a few properties. Alright. For this drone, guys, it's listed with A and B. Okay, and a screwdriver and some screws. Then we have a drone. It's a drone book. SG901 Max Operating Instructions. Okay, so you can read all of that. And now to unlock the motors, guys. So I'm gonna switch the droning. Yeah, the drone. So turn this off. I'm gonna switch the drone to indoor mode with obstacle avoidance, and then I'm gonna show you how you're gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna switch. As you can see, it still shows GPS flight here. It shows GPS mode. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the GPS button till you see it switched to indoor mode. Right there, indoor mode. Now I'm gonna, this button is, this is a headless mode. Okay? This, guys, is a headless mode. So this one is a obstacle avoidance button. Press this, and should be an obstacle avoidance. Okay. Now, all you want is to push both of this stick down. As you can see, it started the motors. Okay? And if you want to turn it off, just grab it and for it drops. Okay, like that. If you hold it like that, it's gonna kill the motor. Okay, it's gonna turn it off. Shut down the motor. Both sticks down. And this will unlock the motor like that. And now just grab the drone and flip it like that. And just kill the motor. SG901 Max, GPS drone, auto return function, testing. that